Welcome to Cloud Meets Hybrid, the automation talks powered by XOAP. I'm Mario, and every week we dive into key insights from the world of hybrid IT, multi cloud delivery, and automation. Let's get into this week's spotlight. Today's episode is about something many IT teams think they already have figured out: device provisioning. Microsoft Autopilot is widely used and for good reasons. But there are still gaps, and those gaps, that's where XOAP delivers real value. Let's break it down. When I talk to customers, whether it's IT managers, architects, or consultants, one thing comes up again and again: the expectation versus the reality gap. Yes, Autopilot helps you set up a new Windows device with minimal effort. But what about existing devices and hardware that doesn't go through Autopilot? What if you have legacy systems, labs, training devices, or some VMs on different platforms that need a different approach? And how do you ensure security and compliance immediately after the deployment and the connect to the Active Directory? Often the provisioning part works, but what's missing is the control, the consistency, and the transparency IT teams need to scale and secure their environments. The market is shifting. Hybrid is no longer a transition phase, it is definitely default. Many orgs combine Autopilot, SCCM, Intune, and other third party tools, and even manual processes. Multi tenant management is on the rise, especially for MSPs and enterprise environments. Security and compliance standards like CIS, Center of Internet Security, SDIG, or BSE in Germany are now a must have, not a nice to have anymore. The result: IT departments are managing fragmented toolsets, inconsistent configurations, and the growing attack surface. That is not sustainable. Why it matters to use XOAP? Now, here's the shift: XOAP doesn't replace Autopilot, it extends it. Here's how it works: you have, first of all, a unified platform. Whether you're using Autopilot, classic imaging, or deploying VMs, XOAP lets you manage all deployment types from a single user interface. The second point is configuration and compliance built in. With our configuration management, you can ensure your systems are hardened right from the start, automated, policy driven, and based on industry standards. Third point: real application control. With application management, you are not stuck with Intune's limitations. You can package, distribute, and manage apps flexible across tenants, environments, and different platforms. Fourth, multi-tenant power. For MSPs and large enterprises, XOAP simplifies how you manage clients, departments, or business units. Shared policies, reusable scripts, and scalable logic make your life really easier. Last but not least, point 5: transparent insights. Troubleshooting an autopilot issue without logs is a nightmare. XOAP's insights and reporting give you a clear, actionable reporting even across hybrid and legacy setups. So if you are already using Autopilot, XOAP becomes the automation layer that ties everything together and finally gives you the control your environment needs. What are the final thoughts? Autopilot gets your devices out of the box. XOAP gets them into production securely, consistently, and at the scale. Whether you are running modern cloud native deployments or managing hybrid jungle, XOAP helps you build a streamlined, secure, and future ready automation strategy. That's it. If you enjoyed this episode, check the description. I have dropped all the relevant information there. And if there is a topic you would like me to cover in a future recap, connect with me on LinkedIn or drop me a message. Thanks for tuning in. Have a great week, and we'll talk to you soon.